Hi, everybody. My name is Marlu, and I, along 7 other teachers, have decided to create a school for children outside of school where we can teach things that regular schools don't teach. So it would be an after school or extracurricular activity for your children, and it will teach them about spirituality. What are crystals? How to communicate with angels? What is the fairy realm? Is it real or is it not? How about self-love, self-worth, self-confidence? So we have these beautiful workshops that we have set up on a monthly basis. We're going to be doing paintings. We're going to be doing physical education. We're going to be doing yoga. We're going to be playing games with them that help them to understand different concepts. And we recognize that the conscious community out there have kids and we all want our kids to grow up in this spirituality where they feel that there is a belonging and that they are understood. And so we want to bring children together, the rainbow kids, the crystals, the indigo kids, the star seeds, all the children of our light worker friends, and bring them in under one roof, Red Tent Kids. And the introductory class will be on September 8th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Look for the Red Tent Goddess Academy, the Red Tent Goddess logo, and come to the event. It's going to be free, and we will be giving you a workshop that day. And it's going to be a beautiful workshop on self-worth and self-love and self-confidence. And from there on, if you want to be part of that, we're going to be giving you a monthly workshop. On top of that, those who become members will be having weekly drawings and fun activities, and sometimes there'll be weekend retreats, all on video, virtual, because it's global. This is a global movement to get the children to recognize spirituality in their lives and to feel a belonging with the conscious family. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I am an Instagram, Life Whole Soul, and if you will see the introduction on September 8th, Wednesday, September 8th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.